How to insert all meal symbol in Word. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open MS Word. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Insert, which is on top beside Home and Design. After clicking on Insert, click on Symbol located on top right. Then click on More Symbols. In here, in font, simply type as shown on screen. Also subset as shown on screen. Scroll all the way down in here and you'll find email symbol. After you find email symbol, simply click on insert. And as you can see email symbol, you can increase the size by simply selecting it and adding your font size. And that's how you insert all meal symbol in Word. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.